Here's an easy way to parallel park. Just turn the steering wheel one turn to the right, then all the way to the left, and the car will smoothly fit in. First, drive forward parallel and close to the white line. When your side mirror is aligned with the front car's mirror, that's the right spot to start parking. Shift into reverse, turn the steering wheel one turn to the right, and begin backing up. While reversing, first check the left rear side to make sure no bicycles or motorcycles are coming, then check the right mirror. When the curb is about to disappear, or you can only see a little bit of it, quickly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. With this method, you don't need to worry about figuring out when to straighten the wheel while reversing, making it much simpler. Finally, check both mirrors. When the car is parallel with the parking lines, you're parked. Straighten the wheel, move forward a little, and you're done.